In this video, I'll show you how to change your background on Zoom. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. Open the Zoom app on your computer, then you're going to select New Meeting to start a meeting. Now right here where you see video, you're going to click on this little arrow that's pointing up. Then you're going to click on Adjust Background and Effects. Here Zoom will give you a small preview of yourself and the different backgrounds that they have. If you only wish to blur out your background, you can select that right here. But as you can see, you're going to have different options to pick from. If you see an option that has a little camera at the bottom, it means that it's going to have movement. After you select the background that you like the most, simply click on the X icon, then enable your camera, and as you can see, you will have a virtual background on. Hope that helps.